Latest study materials, competitive exams, job notifications, and world politics, general knowledge, current affairs, any audible material and visual materials, please subscribe to RECTV Education. In this video, we are going to learn about the Central Information Commission, that is CIC, and also Central Vigilance Commission, that is CVC. In this video, we have total 10 questions. Each topic covers 5 important, mostly frequently asked questions, most important questions. Please do concentrate on to find the right answer from the multiple options. Central Information Commission CIC is established by the central government under the Right to Information Act 2006, Right to Information Act 2005, Right to Information Act 2002, Central Information Commission Act 2005. On which act the CIC was established? It is Right to Information Act on 2005, RIT, Right to Information Act 2005. Who appoints the Chief Information Commissioner and Information Commissioners in India? Chief Information Commissioner and Information Commissioners in India. Chief Justice of India, Prime Minister, Home Minister, President. Who appoints the CIC Commissioners and Chief Commissioners of India? It is President. President appoints the Chief Information Commissioner and Information Commissioners in India. Who is the current Chief Information Commissioner of India? Who is the current Chief Information Commissioner of India? Radhakrishna Mathur, Manjula Prashar, Vijay Sharma, A. Surya Kumar. Who is the current Chief Information Commissioner of India? It is Radhakrishna Mathur. Radhakrishna Mathur is the current Chief Information Commissioner of India. Who administers the oath office of newly appointed Central Vigilance Commission CVC and Chief Information Commissioners? Who administers oath of the office? It is President, Chief Justice of India, CBI Chief, any sitting judge of Supreme Court. It's the President. CIC and CVC both are take a oath from the President. Which of the following is not a current Information Commissioner? Which of the following is not a current Information Commissioner? Basant Seth, Sharath Sabharwal, M.A. Khan USP, S.Y. Qureshi. Who is the not an Information Commissioner at present? It S.Y. Qureshi. S.Y. Qureshi is not a Information Commissioner. Basant Seth, Sharath Sabharwal or M.A. Khan USP are the Information Commissioners at present. When was the Central Vigilance Commission established? 1964, 2005, 1972, 1988. Central Vigilance Commission established on 1964. Which committee recommended the establishment of Central Vigilance Commission? Which committee recommended the establishment of Central Vigilance Commission? Sarkaria Committee, Santanam Committee, Balwantrai Mehta Commission, Narsingham Committee. Which committee recommended the establishment of CVC? It's Sandanam Committee. Sandanam Committee recommended to establish Central Vigilance Commission. Who is the current Central Vigilance Commissioner? Who is the current Central Vigilance Commissioner? Ranjit Sinha, T.M. Bhashan, Arinand Mayaram, K.V. Chaudhary. K.V. Chaudhary is the current Central Vigilance Commissioner. CVC Commissioner K.V. Chaudhary. Who appoints the Central Vigilance Commissioner? President. President, after obtaining the recommendations from the committee, consists of Prime Minister of India, Home Minister and Leader of Opposition. Prime Minister, Home Minister and Chief Justice of India. President, after having consulted with Chief Election Commissioner of India. How Central Vigilance Commissioner will be appointed? President, after obtaining the recommendations from the committee, consists of Prime Minister of India, Home Minister and Leader of Opposition. These three members will recommend to the President, then he will appoint the CVC Commissioner. Who have the power of remove Central Vigilance Commissioner and other Vigilance Commissioners? President and Supreme Court, Chief Justice of Supreme Court, Presidents on the recommendation of Election Commission, Prime Minister, Home Minister and Chief Justice of India. President and Supreme Court have the power to remove the Vigilance Commissioner of India. Thanks for watching RECTV Education. For latest study material, job notifications and for any other source competitive exam materials, please subscribe to RECTV Education. If you like this video, please click on like button. And any requirement of study materials and for your opinions, please comment on the comment line and do share to the friends. And don't forget to hit the bell button to receive latest video notifications directly to the mobile. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks again.